Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best car dual lens dashcam in this video? I will show you the top 5 best car dual lens dashcams to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is K50 Dashcam. Specifications: brand name, Obspeak. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 4:3. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 1920 by 1080. Max external memory, 256GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, GC2053. Pixels, 1200 mega. GPS logger, external. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Allwinner. Front camera, 720p. Rear camera, 1080p. Number 4 is Bantru N4. Specifications: brand name, Bantru. Aperture, f1.8. Display, LCD. View angle, 160 degrees. Camera resolution, 2560 by 1440. Max external memory, 256GB. Number of lenses, 3. Imaging sensor, 5.0 MP comms. Pixels, 500 mega. Display size, 2.45 inches. GPS logger, external. USB port, Type-C. Warranty, 18 months. As the item number 3 we've selected, Pi Dash Camera / Specifications: brand name, Pi. Rear camera, yes. View angle, 105 degrees minus 140 degrees. Camera resolution, 2560 by 1600. Max external memory, 512GB. Number of lenses, 2. Pixels, 1600 mega. Chipset manufacturer, SigmaStar. Frames per second, 30. Number 2 is 70mm Dashcam A510. Specifications: brand name, 70mm. Image sensor, Sony IMX675. Aperture, f1.8. Display, IPS. View angle, 140 degrees. Camera resolution, 2592 by 1944. Max external memory, 256GB. Pixels, 500 mega. Display size, 3 inches. GPS logger, internal. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, NT96580. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 0.4 kilograms. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Pi Dashcam Z50. Specifications: brand name, Pi. View angle, 105 degrees minus 140 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 512GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX415. Pixels, 800 mega. Display size, 3 inches. Chipset manufacturer, SigmaStar. Frames per second, 30. Warranty, 1 year.